guys, today's 5-minute craft is going to be these Terrazzo coasters. They're super easy to make. You just need 3 materials pretty much, and they're really quick to put together, and mine have held up really well for the past month and a half that I've been using them. So I got these cork discs at Michael's, and then I got some terracotta contact paper at Walmart, I believe, and I'm just going to trace these onto the back of the contact paper, cut out the circles, and then I'll put them together. Once you have all your pieces cut, you can use a little extra glue for extra strength, and then just put a little bit on the cork, and then you can peel the back off your paper and then just set it in place. And then once I have all of them done, I'm just gonna set them all aside under a couple books for some weight and let them dry.